Hey everybody, welcome back inside the mind of Matt. And in this episode I have printed out some parts for my lax table, and I've got some screws and a screw gun, and I'm going to be screwing around with it. So stay tuned for the rest of this video if you're interested in building yourself a 3D printer enclosure out of a lax table like I am. Stay tuned. Alright, so I jumped in my Fusion 360 and I crudely made up a design for my lax legs table, and this is basically what I got. Now, quick discussion about this, because like I said, I designed it up myself, and if you see, I want to see if I can pick up the anomaly right there and right there. So what I did is I drew this first and I copied it, and then I moved it around, and it did not end up in the right spot in the drawing, and I didn't really notice it until I started to print. I put two of them on the table, and this is kind of what happened. This guy printed, they were printing together, but this guy printed hollow, and I don't know. I mean, you can see the difference, especially in this one where there is no extra wall, and here there's like this extra wall. You can see the geometry is sunk in. So I got one that's printed like that, and then the rest, you know, I fixed it and they're all printed the right way. So those are the actual leg extensions, and these are nice little corner bracket that I made. Got a little countersink on them, and they'll go up in the upper corner, and my intention is to put some plexiglass. I've been to the hardware store today. I'm gonna put, you know, a solid piece on the back, and I've got 3 pieces of plexiglass here that I've got to cut up, and I'm going to do some magnetry adhesion kind of things going on in the corners. I got some cool little magnets, and I figured I can use super powerful neodymium magnets. So that's where we're at. So I'm going to, you know, get set up with some tools and stuff and do some screwing around. No pun intended. I didn't screw these in yet because I've got to get some measurements, cut my plexiglass. I also have some lights that I'm gonna see if I can put up underneath there, some LEDs. So, alright, well, I guess I'll do some more. Oh, also, I'm gonna, with my buddy, and we're gonna build a shelf, like a box, for this to sit on. Raise it up about, you know, a foot or less, so that I didn't have to put another set of feet. And I also have another area for storage, because the printer's going here, and my spool holders and stuff will be up here. So, but actually I need to be up pretty high. My printer's going to be up there. So yeah, it's a work in progress. All right, away we go. My solution here wasn't the exact one that I was looking for. I had some other clips that actually they're meant for like panel screws, but these are actually ground clips for electrical boxes. I just knocked it pounded it onto the edge, and I'm going to be putting a magnet inside that plastic part right here, and all four corners it'll hold it on. Pretty cool, huh? Still gotta make some handles, but that's one side. Where'd it go? Oh no! What's going on? Whoa! I've kind of rearranged a little bit. Look at that! There she is in her rightful home. It's not complete yet. Did run into some minor difficulties. I dropped the plexiglass and it shattered, so I gotta start again. But I needed to get this room cleaned up a little bit, and you see, cleared up a lot of space. So that's just temporary. I'm building a box, and it's going to be a 2 foot by 2 foot square, and it'll still have drawers in it. But and of course the plexiglass is going to get in. I'm working on had to re-level my bed. This is the technique I like to use for leveling it finite. You know, I get it close, and then I print this, and it allows me to adjust on the fly. So anyways, that's my my lack enclosure in the process. Still got some work to do, but figured I'd keep you guys up to date. So anyways, don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification, set a comment, Tell me what you think. Make some suggestions. Ask any questions. Whatever. Anyways, have a great day, everybody. Happy printing.